hello to all of my gems family. This is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. We are here another beautiful day in St. Petersburg, Florida, and I'm going to take you over to the park and show you the beautiful view. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like, you subscribe, and join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Stay tuned. It is a Monday morning and I'm over here walking. Let me show you this beautiful view. So here we are. It is December the 2nd and taking a walk over here. It is, I think it's at 65 degrees, which is amazing for Florida. 65 degrees. Shout out to everybody who is dealing with snow right now. I wish I could send you some of this warm, breezy, bright. The sun is shining. It's beautiful. So let's continue seeing this view. Look at that, all of this behind me. If you can see behind me, the bridge, that is the Sunshine Skyway Bridge that takes you over to Sarasota. It's just such a nice day. I can't believe how nice it is for December. Look at that. to show you that view. I hope you enjoyed it. Another beautiful day in St. Petersburg, Florida. So I'll see you guys on the next one.
Subscribe to Leticia's _ third eye point of view. Subscribe to Dave's Adventures. Subscribe to Boss Life Online. Subscribe to Sirius S of Virgo from Georgia. Subscribe to Puzzle Pieces. Join channel membership. It starts at 99 cents.